Today we're celebrating Parking Day. The third Friday of September is International Parking Day. Around the globe, there's literally thousands of temporary parks, such as you see here today. So the idea is that you take a parking space, which is normally used by a car, and turn that into a people space.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.